Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to refer a friend on Runna. First, launch the Runna app, and then what I want you to do is come to the top left. You'll actually see your profile icon. Go ahead and click on your profile icon, and then just scroll down. You'll see this option that says refer a friend, and each friend that we refer earns us a $12.5 Runna apparel voucher. So just go ahead and tap on this right here, and there we go. We see this code. So we just copy this code. You can share it with someone on message, email, or you can click the share icon. Okay. It will gift your friend 2 weeks for free. So you can scroll down and use any of these apps to share with them. As you can see, I used my friend's code and I actually got 2 weeks for free myself. And that is how you can refer a friend on Runna. Really that easy and simple.